Hi there, pals. Eric Trump has confirmed that cryptocurrency projects in the US will be eligible for zero capital gains tax, which is some pretty intriguing news for today. We'll also talk about Vitalik Buterin's 2019 assertion that XRP is superior than Bitcoin. We'll also talk about the formal swearing in of John Radcliffe as the new CIA director. What does this signify? Naturally, more thorough updates are available on Telegram, where they are usually delivered more quickly. At least for the top coins and the ones I'm keeping an eye on outside of the top rankings, the cryptocurrency market is still showing a sideways trend. Although the market is still stagnant, I think now is an excellent moment to buy all the coins that haven't done well yet but have a lot of promise. The Market Sentiment Index, which stands at 61 out of 100 right now, would suggest that many people are still confused by the fervor surrounding Trump-themed meme coins. What follows? If you would like me to create a video about Shiba Inu specifically, please like this one. During the down market, I once traded this meme currency, made 5 times my profit, and then sold it. Since then, a lot of people have requested an overview. That was last year. If you want me to make one, let me know. There was a lot of talk about lust in December, but it has since died down. Main concerns of XRP holders and supporters of Ripple are the ongoing legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC and the potential effects on the cryptocurrency sector, specifically Ripple and the XRP token, of the incoming SEC chief. Rulost was most recently listed on Bitstamp, where it is traded against fiat currencies USDT, Euros, Bitcoin, XRP, and USD. Ethereum is also connected with it. At the moment, Bitstamp is the most well-known of the few significant exchanges that support it. I believe that broader adoption is just a question of time. The volatility is constricting into a triangle, while XRP is still trading in a consolidation pattern. The triangle is readily evident on the daily timeline. On the weekly timescale, I had previously found a trading range of $2.90 to $3.30. But because of the lower volatility on the daily chart, this range is less significant. The fact that XRP is trading below the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame is not encouraging. We might witness a minor pullback, possibly down to $2.90 or even $2.70 to $2.59 if XRP is unable to consolidate above this moving average and break through the $3.20 or $3.19 barrier. Be ready for this possibility. There seems to be a lot of excitement surrounding XRP right now, and people are anticipating much higher pricing. The market often surprises people who are unduly hopeful. Because it was a hoax, no one wanted to purchase XRP for 50 cents. I brought up the fact that Jed McCaleb had sold all of his XRP by 2020 back then. The current head of Stellar XLM, Jed McCaleb, is no longer involved. The risk-to-reward ratio makes investing at this time look dangerous. If you are a short-term or day trader, there may be better, more practical entry points. If you decide to buy now or wait depends on your plan, and if you're looking for a short trade or long-term investment in XRP, for the time being, we could anticipate a correction towards $2.50. My conviction in XRP's potential for long-term growth is unaffected by this. Just pointing out that, while it's unlikely to be disastrous, a correction could be on the horizon. Concerns for long-term investors are minimal. It's undoubtedly noteworthy that Eric Tron mentioned that US-based cryptocurrency ventures would benefit from zero capital gains tax. This covers initiatives like XRP, HPR, and other cryptocurrencies developed in the US. I also shared an intriguing detail on Telegram today. Bitcoin is not included in CoinMarketCap's list of coins minted in the United States. Or did Bitcoin come into being? According to some, it was manufactured in China. Others believe it was an American initiative developed by a group of people, possibly even associated with the CIA. A third, impartial viewpoint says that Bitcoin is a pyramid scheme, or perhaps the creation of Mevrodi. Bitcoin wasn't made in the US, according to CoinMarketCaps, but I believe this will either be explained in our lifetime or remain a mystery. Greetings to those who predict that Bitcoin will drop to zero. Countries like El Salvador have already started purchasing Bitcoin, and the Federal Reserve is adding it to its holdings. Like gold or other precious metals, the pattern suggests that more countries may decide to use Bitcoin as a reserve asset. It's headed to zero, but only someone who doesn't have Bitcoin would claim that. In 2019, Vitalik Buterin declared that XRP was superior to Bitcoin. The Lightning Network was not yet available for Bitcoin at the time, but XRP was quicker, had fewer fees, and allowed for instant transactions. Back then, Buterin's reasoning made logic. Things are changing, as evidenced by the instantaneous payment samples demonstrated by Bitcoin's Lightning Network today. I favor a well-rounded perspective. Bitcoin should not be disregarded, but as experience has shown, XRP is more appropriate for international payments, while Bitcoin functions as a store of value. Last but not least, another noteworthy event is the swearing-in of John Radcliffe as the next CIA director. He previously mentioned China's influence over these assets and claimed that Bitcoin and Ethereum were developed in China. It makes one wonder about the future of the cryptocurrency industry now that he is the head of the CIA. In summary, the cryptocurrency market is still at a standstill. After growing earlier, meme coins like Trump and Melania are also solidifying. Although Melania's price has decreased rather than increased, I still contemplated purchasing it but ultimately chose to wait for consolidation. Melania is worth $2.49, and there are 172 million coins in circulation. Its market cap and supply appeared to have been manipulated or glitched earlier. Meme coins' dependence on personalities is a drawback. These coins might take a serious hit if something were to happen to Melania or Trump. Prior to being listed on a centralized market, these speculative assets were profitable, but after that they became risky. That concludes today. CryptoFacts has been this. I'll see you later.